Okay, the one thing I've never showed all of you at Darkness Travels is how to empty my shitter, because I have a shitty problem. I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to show you how to fix that shitty problem. Come along. Alright, so you see that handle there? That whole piece needs to be replaced, and it should look like, and it looks like this. Yeah, as you hear, it's draining in there, that blue honey pot. I had to use the vice grips. You see there's 4 bolts. This is what I'm going to hit those with. PV Blaster. You could find it at Tractor Supply, O'Reilly's, or whatever. Okay, what I'm showing you is the tank was emptied first, and I hooked the hose up to the clean out. Now I ran fresh water through my black tank twice, filling up that blue honey pot. And I'm going to show you how I'm doing that right now. Now that that tank is flushed out, ensure that no one's using the toilet or flushing anything down there. I'm going to tackle the valve. These are the tools you're going to need. You're going to need 2 7/16 ratchets, one to take it off, one to hold the other nut. Some lube, petroleum jelly, and that's for these rings on the part and the guide, the valve itself. Shit like this happened. The new gasket comes with new bolts. Here's another one. You can see there's some lube right there already. What I'm going to do is just get a little bit more around this seal. So, before I show you the new valve that I ended up getting in with some professional help, yes, I'm going to be man enough and own up to the fact that I was not skilled enough to put the new valve in. So I did have to contact a professional to finish the job, and I hate it, but I'm going to show you I'm going to explain to you what they did, and then I'll show you the new valve. And you remembered the gap that I had to work with was about like this. What they had to do is they had to take that pipe. There was a clamp on that pipe here. They had to take that clamp off, push this pipe in further in order to have enough room to put this new piece in there with the rubber seals. So that in turn finished the job up for me. I hope you enjoy the video. I know it wasn't that great because I didn't get to finish the project. Again, I'm not stupid enough to keep riffing on something I'm not familiar with to break it and make it cost more. So I did use a mobile RV place down here where we're at. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for coming back.